Start the lecture. SSC JE Previous year question paper. Thermal equilibrium between two or more bodies exists when they are brought together. There is no change in this talk about thermal equilibrium. So obvious temperature. If temperature is in equilibrium, then the body is said to be in thermal equilibrium, and there is no change in temperature. So option C is correct. Come to the next question. According to Gay-Lussac's law, for a perfect gas, absolute pressure of a mass varies directly as already shared the tricks to remember Charles law, Boyle's law, and Gay-Lussac's law. Charles law, and Gay-Lussac's law. According to Boyle's law, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. According to Charles law, proportional temperature, and according to Gay-Lussac's law, pressure proportional to temperature. But here asked absolute pressure. So absolute temperature is proportional to, but one more condition is matters. Here pressure varies to volume, but temperature constant. Here pressure is constant, and in Gay-Lussac's law, volume is constant. So absolute pressure is directly proportional to absolute temperature if volume is kept constant. So option C is correct. Which of the following can be regarded so that gas law could be applied within the commonly encountered temperature limits? Gas law means ideal gas law. Ideal gas law follow the standard law. Ideal gas means that these gases are follow ideal gas law, which are at normal temperature remains in gas, not mixed with liquid. For example, steam is mix. There is some particle of in steam, vapor and moisture. These have some liquid content. So these are not ideal gas, so they will not follow the gas law. So option A is eliminated, option B is eliminated, and option C is eliminated. So option D is right answer. Temperature of a gas is produced due to kinetic energy of molecule, because if kinetic temperature is due to kinetic theory, temperature is proportional to kinetic energy of the particle, means kinetic energy of the particle. Temperature proportional to kinetic energy of the particle. So temperature of a gas is produced due to the kinetic energy of the molecule. Come to the next one. The pressure of a gas in terms of its mean kinetic energy per unit volume is equal to 2/3. Option D is correct. We need to remember this formula. Okay. Come to according to Boyle's law, for a perfect gas, already covered in previous question. According to Boyle's law, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So PV equals to constant. So P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. P1 by P2 equals to V2 by V1. So P1 by P2 equals to V2 by P1 if temperature is constant. So option C is right. According to Boyle's law, PV constant is applicable to gases under. So Boyle's law only small range of a pressure, because Boyle's law, Charles law, they are valid in